Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening YouTube Studio and going straight to Analytics. This gets you live data. Once there, pick a time frame that fits your goal, 7, 28, or 90 days, to avoid wild swings. Make sure to pull the exact counts for likes, comments, shares, and total views for that period, because those raw numbers feed the calculation. Don't delay with other filters. Collect these metrics now so you can compute a reliable engagement rate in the next step. Once you have the counts, plug them into the standard formula. Add likes, comments, and shares, divide by views, then multiply by 100 to express percent. Use a spreadsheet so you can paste numbers and copy a formula like equals B2 plus C2 plus D2 slash E2 asterisk 100. This avoids calculation mistakes and lets you test different time windows quickly. If you want nuance, compute per 100 views or compare to watch time. Both help explain why. Now interpret the percent. Compare each video's engagement rate to your channel average to spot outliers. Once you identify high and low performers, test changes like clearer CTAs, pinned comments, or different thumbnails to boost interactions. Those moves tend to move the percent. If the result looks unreliable because views are very low, don't panic. Extend the time frame, combine similar videos, or run a promotion to increase sample size. That troubleshooting step fixes misleadingly low engagement metrics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.